You and Wilbert look good together. Him always take care of you. I mean like how he treat you.
Yeah, I'm telling you this. Look for me, good.
Sorry.
Look for me when me a chat to you.
A clown thing in the pan, bro. I don't know clown thing, but something happened to her, so I have to assist her.
Assist her for what?
Me talk to you about this situation over and over. Me tell you so that the youth don't mean you no good. Eh? I saw him show love.
You can't believe that all in front of my mother, you behave so.
Just stop talking to me, man. Stop talking to her.
I got
Stop.
always
You
there
will
with
to stop make this be about you.
I nah make it be about me. But me just make you know. I remember for me the day before him, you know, and it look like you put him over me, you know.
Am my life, you know? Am my life. I'm gonna tell you this every day so we can't be nothing more than friends.
You just make sure I innocent stop in a very nice bedroom.
Eh?
Feel like things go get
You know, yo, get something, man. Wake up the man.
say anything you want, you have to rest.
Yo, wake up the man. My box on. Yo, wake up the man. You asleep, bro.
I'm gonna tell you say we are just friends. Me I go through my stress and tribulation and I will tell you about love. Me don't want no love. Keep it.
If you glad for me love you, the youth the way that talk to no love you. You're right off my heart like a car accident.
Wilbert, we talk about this already. We are just friends. Matter of fact, we are best friends. After me take up this boy and me move in with him one less than a week. Me feed him, me clothe him, me make sure him good, me make sure him ear clean and him go work and him nice. And at this him turn around and do me.
You should have done more for him. Anyway, you know better know it all today. Watch me. You did there with Rodney. You left Rodney and go there with Bounty Killer.
When I come back, make sure say you have a good answer for me, you know, in terms of money. You hear me? I tell you.
Why not just go on and do?
Yo, shut up your mouth, no girl, and top chat to me, no man. I want solo some teeth.
Alright, listen now. You see, if you go out there, so, no come back in, you know. Because I can't tolerate the foolishness with you.
Who is you? No.
I'm a man. And who you? What?
Right, no joke, you know.
What do you see?